Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Garrison local and long-distance movers near me. Do you intend to move within Garrison, Maryland soon? If you are, consider the services of Garrison local TM movers. Nature lovers will find solace in Garrison's abundance of outdoor recreational opportunities. You can explore beautiful parks, hiking trails, and scenic spots offering breathtaking views and relaxation opportunities. Whether you enjoy a leisurely picnic or an invigorating hike, Garrison provides an escape to nature's embrace. Partnering with Garrison local TM movers comes with ease and convenience. Our exceptional expertise and professionalism make your local move seamless and efficient. We provide your belongings with all the safety it needs. Planning a move out of Garrison? Garrison Long Distance 3 Movers understands that the safety of your precious belongings is crucial to you. That's why we are cautious in handling and transporting each item. Our skilled professionals delicately pack your belongings, secure them in sturdy boxes, and ensure they remain safe throughout the journey. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Garrison moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.